Microsoft has just confirmed a serious issue affecting some Windows 11 users, but the surprising part is, it's not actually caused by Windows itself. If your C drive suddenly becomes inaccessible, this could be the reason. According to Microsoft's official Known Issues Health dashboard, some users reported losing access to their C drive after installing recent updates, including the February 2026 security update, KB507181. For Windows 11 versions 24H2 and 25H2, users are seeing an error message. C is not accessible, access is denied. This issue can block access to files and prevent important apps from launching. Affected apps include Outlook, Microsoft Office, web browsers, system tools, and even Quick Assist. In some cases, the situation gets worse. Users are unable to run tasks that require administrator permissions. This means they can't uninstall updates, collect system logs, or even fix the issue easily. Initially, many assumed this was caused by the latest Windows update, but that's not the case. After investigating, Microsoft confirmed that the root cause is actually a problem with the Samsung Galaxy Book ecosystem, specifically the Samsung Galaxy Book Experience/Galaxy Connect app. This issue has been observed on certain Samsung Galaxy Book 4 laptops and some Samsung desktop systems running Windows 11 24H2 and 25H2. To reduce further impact, Microsoft has temporarily removed the affected Samsung app from the Microsoft Store. At the same time, Samsung has released a more stable older version of the app to prevent new devices from experiencing the problem. However, for users who are already affected, recovery options are still limited. Microsoft and Samsung are currently working together to develop and test a proper fix. The key takeaway is this: even though the issue appeared around recent updates, it is not caused by Windows updates. It's a compatibility issue that Samsung needs to resolve through their software. If you're using a Samsung Galaxy Book device, it's best to avoid installing or updating the Galaxy-related apps until a confirmed fix is released. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.